Welcome to the Free University of Bolzano greenhouse here in Laimburg. I'd like to present myself first. My name is Carlo Andreotti. I'm a professor for fruit production and viticulture, and I'm scientific responsible for this facility. The greenhouse is organized in several cells, single cells, individual cells. They are 9 altogether, and we will see that inside those cells is possible basically to manage, to control all the environmental parameters, including temperature, humidity, and radiation in an individual way, so to allow different experiments to be carried on simultaneously. This is the computer controlling the condition inside each individual cells that you can see here with this green and red and pale blue color corresponding to the 9 different cells. And basically what we can set individually inside the cells are temperature, humidity, radiation in intensity and duration during the day. And of course it's also possible to organize the irrigation, meaning that the number of water inputs and the timing of the water inputs can of course be controlled with this computer system. The system is also connected with the internet, so our colleagues and technicians can control the condition inside each cell from remote, from Bolzano for instance, and eventually also they can intervene on the setup, so they can change and manipulate the condition inside the cells. Now is the time to take a look inside the cell. So you can come inside. Well, you cannot feel this, but here now is pretty warm and humid. That's because the condition were set like, I guess is more than 26, 27 degrees and 80-90% humidity for sure. What we can see are basically interesting are the light system, which is based on LEDs, and it's a combination of white, blue and red LEDs in order to create a light which is good for plant growth, for photosynthesis. Okay. What else? All these benches can be flowed by water, and also this can be of course done automatically more than one time per day, delivering just the right amount of water that the plant need.
Welcome here in the experimental field of Planta Ditch. It is a vineyard that belongs to the province in which we are conducting our research. I'm Damiano Zanotelli, a senior researcher by the University of Bolzano, and together with my colleagues of the 3 ecophysiology and ecosystem groups, we are actually installed here a tower that you see in my background, that allow us to measure continuously the exchange of carbon, energy and water between this agro-ecosystem, the vineyards and the atmosphere. Together with these instruments, the tower is equipped with other kind of tools that allows us to measure with the same frequency the most important climatic variables and understand when and to which extent actually this kind of managed ecosystem is able to sequester CO2, to exchange CO2 with the atmosphere, and to consume water and also exchange energy. So together with the tower, which is running continuously, we actually applied different other instruments, not at the ecosystem level but with a smaller level, in order to understand which part of the ecosystem is contributed to the overall ecosystem fluxes.